Hey, happy Tuesday out there, everybody. It's Keith from Jets PC. Well, today I wanted to talk about a project I did on Saturday. I've had this Linksys this is a WRT1900AC router for sale here in the shop. Folks tend to get these and then put OpenWRT on it. Well, I finally made the leap and downloaded the ISO, or the file basically, and installed or flashed the router to install WRT on it, or OpenWRT. And man, you talk about opening it up. I'm sitting there playing with all the interfaces and that kind of thing. It really takes a consumer level laptop and makes it into a highly customizable network hub, all with open source software. You get enhanced security, you add and tracking blocking, advanced traffic management, built-in VPN and privacy, complete hardware control. I mean, you can monitor your wireless LANs, or basically let me go back to, you can look at bandwidth, you can down to the individual ports of how much Ethernet or internet traffic you're using, or bandwidth you're using on each particular internet port. It's an open source, so it gets updates constantly and that kind of thing. And there's lots of documentation out there to help you along. So make the leap. There's a list out there on the internet of compatible devices. So if you've got a router, be sure to check the compatible devices list first before you start flashing it. The neat thing about the Linksys is it does have dual basically spots on the hard drive to store the old factory image with the consumer level interface, where you can always roll it back if you have to. But it went flawlessly. It is a lot of fun, and I've been having fun piddling around with it and just kind of seeing how powerful it is. So I've saved you a step if you were looking at that router wanting to purchase it. I've saved you a step, and OpenWRT is already installed. So give it a try. It is fun to tinker with, and you can learn a lot in network trafficking and all that, or network traffic and connectivity and all that kind of thing, and how to securely, how to secure your home or small business with it as well. So give it a try. Come by and see us. We're Jets PC, 7543 Grissom Road Suite 121, and you never know what we're working on. We're here Tuesday through Saturday, 10 to 7. Thanks for tuning in, and by all means, head over to our YouTube channel to hit like or subscribe. Y'all have a good day.